Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can call someone in Zangi Messenger. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open the Zangi Messenger app on your phone. After you do so, you can see that you can go to the chat menu. Go to the chat menu and click on the person who you want to call. Now, you can see the phone icon on the top right hand corner of your screen. If you want to call this person, you can click on this call icon. Make sure that this person is free and available and the person will pick it up, and only then you can join a call. So go ahead and click on the call icon, and as soon as you click on the call icon, you can see that the call has been ringing, and if the person picks up, the call will start. So some of the function of the call is to mute the call, start the video call, turn on or off the speaker option, hold the call, minimize the call, and you can also dial in the keypad. So if you want to end the call now, just go ahead and click on this end icon, and there you go. It is easy to call a person and it will be private in your Zangi private messenger app. I hope this video about how you can call someone in Zangi was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.